Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Switch model and current firmware so you avoid mismatches. You then back up the running configuration to a local file or to a TFTP server. This preserves settings if rollback is needed. Once the backup finishes, download the vendor firmware image that explicitly supports your model and check its checksum. Finally, stage the image on a reachable server, TFTP, FTP, or HTTP, so the Switch can access it during the upgrade. You now copy the firmware from the server to the Switch. Use the CLI or WebUI command for your platform to transfer into Flash or the image partition. Monitor progress and confirm success. Once transferred, compute and compare the checksum or hash to the vendor value so you ensure integrity. Then update boot variables or mark the new image as the active boot option, but do not delete the old image yet. Keeping a fallback reduces risk if the new image fails. You reboot the Switch to load the new firmware and watch the console output for errors or hardware warnings as it boots. Once up, validate critical functions, interface status, routing tables, VLAN, management access, and recent logs to confirm normal operation. Make sure features you rely on are present and behaving. If something goes wrong, immediately boot the previous image or restore the backed up config, and collect boot and system logs so you can escalate to vendor support if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.